guys? Back at it again. Bboy Luminous here. Today I'm going to teach you guys another fundamental called the CC. Let's go. First off, we'll start off on the left side. Alright, left leg extend, left hand down. First step, we're going to bring it in. 1, take it out. 2, to the right. 3, bring your leg to the front, switch to your right hand. Stop here on 3, and then we're going to kick up and bring it back. Alright, so when we kick up, we're going to go to our toe, right? We're going to kick up and bring it back, okay? Alright, like this. And you also put 2 hands down. Boom, and back. And then we're going to do the same step, going to the left side. So it goes 1, 2, 3. Go onto your toe. Use your right leg to kick up and then come back with this. Boom, and back. Alright, now let's put those in steps. It goes 1, 2, 3, and kick. And then it goes 1, 2, 3, and kick. Now let's go a little bit faster. So do not stop at step number 2. We go 1, 2, and 3, and then kick. Alright, so it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, kick. It goes 1, 2, 3, kick. Okay. Now let's go fast on that part. So it goes 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, kick. Now let's flow everything through. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, kick. Now let's go faster. It's called the CC.